Hey guys, this is Anthony, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a stock antenna with a stubby antenna. To do this, we're going to need a microfiber towel, mothers, trim and plastic restorer, a plier or a wrench, and these universal screws that come with the antenna. So what you want to do is use the plier and the flathead to try to get this to loosen up so you can just unscrew it off. After you're able to twist this off, it should come off in 2 pieces. So after 2 days of trying to screw this off and looking on the forum and all those Google posts, I decided to use 2 pliers, and it actually worked out. And you just unscrew it like so. Easily unscrew like this. Next, you just have to try to find the same size screws, and then connect this end to the stubby antenna, and then after that screw it on to your car. After you screw on both sides, just put this piece on, and then afterwards snap this piece in and screw it back in. So after you're done, you can apply mothers onto a microfiber towel and restore the rubber if you want it to match the color of the black antenna. After applying it, it should be about the same color, or better at least. And in the same video, I'm gonna show you guys if it actually works or if it's just for show. So there it is, guys. It's not as bad as I thought. The quality is still pretty good. Okay guys, that's the video. If you like the video, please like the video. If you don't like the video, please subscribe.